Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a quick heart-opening flow. You can practice this flow by itself or in conjunction with any of my other videos for a longer practice. It's also the perfect flow to warm up for practicing deeper back bends. So if you want to open up your heart, then come flow with me.
For today's practice, having a block and a strap handy might be helpful. Let's meet in a seated position. Roll your shoulders down and back. Take a deep breath in. Drop your jaw and side away. Take another deep breath in, side away, and let it all go. Place your palms on your heart and just notice your breath here. Taking this time to just turn inward, allow your attention to be on your breath. Notice if you can feel your heart beating behind your chest. Find gratitude here for your heart, for your breath, and for this time on your mat. Let go of any to-do lists, any plans you might have, or anything that might be on your mind. As you inhale, blink your eyes open, reach your palms high, exhale and twist to your right. Your left palm can rest on your right knee. Your right palm can rest behind you. You can even be on your fingertips as you lengthen your spine. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist to the opposite side. Again, your right palm can be on your left knee this time. And rather than leaning back, bring your back palm close to you so you can lift up through the crown of your head. Inhale to center. Exhale, twist to your right. Twisting a little bit deeper. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the opposite side. Following your breath. Inhale back to center. As you exhale, plant your right palm to your right side and lean over to your right. Reach your left arm up and over, stretching out the left side of your body. Inhale to center, exhale to the opposite side. Left palm reaches the ground. Right palm reaches over. Inhale back to center. Exhale and fold forward. Take a few breaths here, maybe even open and close your mouth a few times, releasing your jaw. On your next exhale, roll over onto your hands and knees, finding your tabletop. Once in your tabletop, shift your hips, your shoulders in any way you need to. Allow your body to move wherever it needs to go. And coming back to center, we'll take a few rounds of cats and cows. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, arch your back, cat pose. Inhale and lift your heart. Exhale, tuck your tailbone in. Follow your own breath and take a couple more rounds of cats and cows. Pausing wherever you need to. And on an inhale, we'll meet back in center. Hug your belly button up and in. Inhale, the right arm reaches forward, left leg reaches back. Bend your left knee and reach back for that foot with your right hand. If you don't find a connection, you can always use your strap. Exhale, release the palm and knee back down. Inhale the left palm forward, right leg back. Bend the right knee and reach back with your left hand for that foot. Breathe in, breathe out. Exhale, the left palm comes down, right knee comes down. From here, you can take a turn to the long edge of your mat if you'd like, or stay where you are. As you inhale, send the right leg back. And as you exhale, take your right foot out to the right and plant it down. Exhale and walk both palms over to your left side. Inhale the right arm high. Breathe here. You can take that right arm up overhead, reach your fingertips to create length in your body. Exhale, palms come down and walk over towards your right foot. Inhale the left arm high. Again, left fingertips can always reach up overhead just for a deeper stretch. Exhale the palms down. Walk them back to center. Bring your right knee in. Exhale the left leg back. Send that left foot out to the left. Walk both palms over to your right side and inhale the left palm high. You can always reach those fingertips to create length. As you exhale, plant the palm, walk over towards your left foot. Inhale the right arm high. Again, you always have that option to reach and stretch even further. Exhale the palm down. Walk your palms back to center. Bring that left knee in. If you took a turn, turn back towards the top of your mat. Exhale, sink back to your child's pose. Inhale, shift forward, coming onto your belly, palms underneath your shoulders. Legs zip together if you can. Inhale to your low cobra, lift your chest. Exhale, nose to mat. Inhale, chest lift, lower ribcage stays on the mat. Exhale, nose to mat. Inhale, lift the chest, maybe even hover your palms. Exhale, nose to mat. Tuck your toes under. As you exhale, shift your hips up and back. Find your downward facing dog. Shift in any way you need to, maybe pedaling out the feet here. Adjusting in your down dog for a few breaths. Inhale into your high heels, exhale and lower. Inhale, lift your heels, exhale, lower your heels towards your mat. Inhale the right leg high, exhale, step it in between your palms. Inhale, spiral up to your warrior two. Take your time here to adjust. Make sure that right knee is tracking out towards the right pinky toes. Inhale and reverse your warrior. As you exhale, place your right forearm on your right thigh. Find your side angle pose. Inhale and reverse your warrior for dancing warrior. Exhale, right forearm to right thigh. Inhale and reverse. Exhale, right forearm to right thigh, this time pausing here in your side angle pose. Feel this opening, the entire side of your body. You can keep that right forearm on your right thigh if you'd like, or you can reach the palm for a block, or even reach your right palm all the way down to the mat if that is part of your practice. Take the variation that works for you and just breathe. Exhale your left arm behind your back for a half bind. You can even reach for a full bind here if you'd like. On your next exhale, palms come down and frame your right foot. Step back to your plank. Exhale, lower down halfway. Inhale, lift the chest up dog. Exhale, down dog. This is your vinyasa. Inhale the left leg high. Exhale, step it forward. Spiral up into your warrior two as you inhale. Again, take the time to adjust. Find your warrior two. Hug the belly button up and in. Roll the shoulders down and back. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, left forearm to left thigh. It's okay if you wobble. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, left forearm to left thigh. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Inhale, left forearm to left thigh, find your side angle pose. Again, that left forearm can stay on your left thigh. You can reach down for your block or even the floor. Exhale the right arm behind your back, find that half bind, and if you'd like to, you can reach for a full bind. And you can use a strap here if your palms quite don't make that connection. Exhale, frame your left foot, step back, lower down halfway, inhale to your up dog, exhale to your down dog. Breathe here in your downward facing dog. We'll go through that entire flow one more time. One breath per movement. Follow your own breath. Take it at your own pace. Inhale the right leg high. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, rise to your warrior two. Take those dancing warriors. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, right forearm to right thigh. Inhale and reverse. Exhale, forearm to thigh. One more time, reverse your warrior, and then find your side angle pose. Reach for a bind if you'd like, half bind or full bind here. Opening up your heart, stacking your shoulders as best as you can. Exhale, frame the right foot, step back. You can even keep the right toes lifted as you lower, and finish out your vinyasa. We'll meet in downward dog. Inhale, the left toes go high. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Inhale, spiral up to your warrior two. Right into those dancing warriors. Inhale and reverse. Exhale, left forearm to left thigh. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale, left forearm to left thigh. Pausing in your side angle pose, taking a bind if you'd like to. Again, the goal here is to keep the heart open. Exhale, frame the left foot, lower down, finish out your vinyasa. Find your breath if you've lost it. On your next exhale, lower your knees, find your tabletop, knee right underneath the hip, and then begin to walk your palms forward and melt your chest towards your mat, finding your puppy pose. You can tuck your toes under here if you need a little bit more stability. Each breath, allow your heart just to melt towards your mat. As you inhale, shift forward, coming all the way onto your belly. Take your elbows wide, stack your palms, and rest your forehead on the backs of your palms. Release all your muscles, release all the tension. Allow your body to feel heavy on your mat for your belly shavasana. You can stay in your shavasana as long as you need to, but if you're ready, with your next breath, make your way into a seat, pressing up, finding a seat that's comfortable for you. Bring your palms to heart center. Allow your eyes to close. May you find an abundance of love, peace, and joy within your heart.
If you enjoyed this practice, please be sure to click the like button below and subscribe to my channel. As always, I'll be leaving links to the mat I was practicing on as well as the clothing I'm wearing in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Tell me in the comments below, which heart-opening pose is your favorite? Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.